friends. Today we have a special unboxing of the Wizarding Trunk All Hallows Eve edition. Had to think of the name. This is the one that I actually didn't intend to purchase, but because I never canceled my subscription, I got it anyway. It's supposed to be Halloween themed, so fine. We got some new Halloween themed things to put on my Harry Potter shelf. Not opened. I have no idea what's in here, and I thought we could give it a look together. First, I need to note, look at the box and how stinking cute. There are pumpkins and ghosties and like little Halloween themed things in addition to their normal, like I think the Something Wicked This Way Comes was actually already on the design of the box, but they made it festive, which I think is great. Super cute, super cute. This is what it looks like when we open it up. Super fun. And we're just gonna dive right in with the Salem Sisters. It's a ticket, live at the Great Hall. Live at the Great Hall on Halloween, October 31st, 1992. That's year one, right? Halloween, year one, the Salem Sisters at the Great Hall. Huh. Section 17, row F, seat 3, general admission, but there's also a seating. I don't even know if that's on the other side. Yes. That's some pretty hardcore ticket stuff. All Wizarding Trunk things come with a t-shirt. Fun fact, I've been wearing the Potions Class t-shirt quite a bit. They're actually really comfortable t-shirts. Shocker! It is a Salem Sisters t-shirt. Is this a medium? That's a medium. Okay. Looks really long. Salem Sisters t-shirt with all their tour dates on the back. Cute. All Hallows Eve tour. Oh, look, it even says All Hallows Eve tour because it's the All Hallows Eve box. Cute. Cute. And if you look on the 31st on Halloween, it's at the Great Hall. They paid attention to the detail. I like that. All right. Ballywick's Bloodsuckers. It does look like the Honeydukes logo. So my guess is this is going to be candy. I'm so bad at opening boxes. Oh my gosh. I got it. I got it. Indeed. We got red lollipops. Red is my favorite flavor, as you guys know. That's a lot of fun. Great. Some fun Halloween candy. And then what's nice is we can eat the candy and we can keep the box as a little addition to the shelf. Next, we have this month's key. Pretty intense. I'm not gonna be able to open that either. Here is the key. Oh, it's pretty spooky. It's a graveyard. It's a graveyard. So there's the skeleton guy up at the top. We got the little graveyard. We got some symbols. I'm not sure why we need a key to the graveyard, but you know. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Oh, did I get a book cover this month? Last month I didn't get a book cover. And they're known for giving out really good book covers, and I never got one, which was a bummer. Whoa. Okay. Bonus! There's sheet music in here! Something... So it's the words, it's not the same melody, but it's the Double, Double, Toil and Trouble, the anthem that they sing in the movie. Look at the gold foil. Oh, well, this is really cool. I love it. I love it. I need to, that's really fun. I need to flatten that out. Here is what I thought we were getting into, which is the book cover. So they have a couple of different companies, I think, or it might be one, that makes book covers for you to put over books that exist on your bookshelf to make it look like a more magical bookshelf. So this one is Magic Most Evil. How appropriate for me to have a book titled Magic Most Evil on my bookshelf. Oh, that's hilarious.
I've got an old macroeconomics textbook you can put it on.
Perfect, as long as it's the right size. And all of the size info for their covers is on the Wizarding Chunk website, so they do give you information and guidance for that. But that's cool, Magic Most Evil. But the sheet music, though, that was an unexpected surprise. Yeah, man. No, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna make a mess. Here is one box. Oh my, there's stuff all over creation here. Okay. Okay. We got stuff. We're just gonna get all of this out of the box now. There's our box. Next, we have troll bogies. Excellent. Troll bogies, aloe vera vitamin E, vanilla, sweet orange essential oil, alchemy for the skin. Alchemy for the skin! Well, it's... Oh, that smells nice. I imagine that's what troll bogies feel like. So it's... Oh, wow. That's got a really nice smell to it. The orange and the vanilla both come through really, really nice. So this is by, like I said, Alchemy for the Skin. So I'm going to presume that that's the name of the shop where you can get stuff like this. Very like the aloe type products. It's very watery, but it absorbs nice and hydrates really well. That's really nice. Wow. So if you don't want the obscure green thing just hanging out on your shelf, you can use the product and then maybe fill the jar with something else because the label's really cute. Then we have the Borgin and Burke's Shopkeeper. That's what I presume that's supposed to be. It's the shopkeeper label, and that's your pin. Borgin and Burke's. And then we've got another pin. What is this? Do you know?
Are you asking me?
Sure.
I'm thinking that's one of the cards that a wizard should be in. So,
look closer. Can you tell what that is?
Oh, it's the portrait that the fat lady's in after it's been attacked.
Very good. 10 points for Gryffindor on that one.
I'm Ravenclaw.
You're actually Ravenclaw. 10 points for Ravenclaw
Thank you.
On that one. Gryffindor, what am I thinking? Gosh.
I'm not brave. Come on.
You are brave, but you are more clever. One of these days, I'm gonna hurt myself opening a package.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna happen. Styrofoam. Oh, I should be more careful with the styrofoam. Definitely a Halloween theme box because not things that I would normally just have laying around. But oh my gosh, the quality on this.
Wow.
How do I look?
Thumbnail right here.
Yes. Boo. What do you think? That's really high quality. Like, that's heavy. This is not a mask I would actually, like, it gives you an elastic band to tie on and the holes, but like, that's going to be really heavy to wear on your face. But as a display piece for Halloween, that's pretty intense. Wow. We have the skeleton gargoyle. I think this guy was in the graveyard in movie 4. If I had to guess, If I had to guess, that's where he's from, because there was a lot of darkness happening in that part of the movie. So, what else? What else? Those are all the packages. Alright, so here's our book page. We have Magical Creatures A to Z is the book that we have a page from, and we have a page about the Thunderbird, but then on the opposite page, we have a line about the troll. So, we get to learn a little bit.
This is a reminder. Gracie, go potty.
You want to go potty? Do you want to go potty? Do you want to go? So, we have a blurb about the troll and the Thunderbird. That will go with my other torn out page from my last box. This... Oh, I have another box, y'all. I gotta say, they don't scrimp with the amount of things that they put in here. That is for sure. Potion!
I'm gonna guess poison.
I'm gonna go with yes, because it's called the Avada essence. And the wax seal on the top. So I'm thinking, yeah, this is definitely a death potion. 100%. You can see stuff floating in there. The label's really cool. Awesome. Awesome. So the potions that I have on my shelf will be the Gilly Tonic and the Death Potion to go with my Magic Most Evil book. That will be on my shelf as well. I need a cheery Harry Potter box to balance it out. And then we have the Enchanter. Resources for werewolves on page 9. Exclusive enchanted jack-o'-lantern attack. So it looks like we have a magazine. It's a full, oh my gosh. It is a full-on, legitimate magazine. There's a table of contents. There's like a Sudoku puzzle with weird hieroglyphs that I don't know. Brain boggler. Ghoul sightings across the UK.
There's a recipe.
There's a recipe. For the pumpkin pasties! Oh, look at that! That's cool. Poltergeist heist. Why choose a turnip? The enchanted jack-o'-lantern attack. So it's legitimately an entire Halloween-themed magazine. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to be so fun to sit and read. I'm obviously not going to read the whole thing out loud. There's a classified section. Like in the newspapers. And the credits. Oh my gosh. So funny. And then you can get 38% off today when you subscribe to the Enchanter. That's really cute. October 22 issue. Oh, how funny. How funny.
Almost out of battery.
Uh-oh. It's blinking. Dang it. Oh, and then we have a Death Day party invitation. Cute. Very cute. I don't know how much time it's going to give me with that. And then this is the page of information about what is actually in the box. The Magic Most Evil book cover, the Grave Angel, I was right, the Grave Angel, the Dark Follower skull mask, last worn by a Dark Follower at the World Cup, okay. The Enchanter is the magazine, the Slashed Portrait was the pin, Troll Bogies, Avada Essence, the Prison Key, oh, so it's for the prison.
Azkaban?
It must be. They can't explicitly say that. But the Death Day Party invitation, Shopkeeper's pin, Creature page, Something Wicked sheet music, Bloodsuckers, and the Salem Sisters tour shirt. 14 different items in here, you guys. 14! That is pretty stinking solid, if you ask me. I think there's even like, this is pretty cute too. It's got another Salem Sisters ticket on the bottom. Rock on, Wizarding Trunk. Not too bad. Stay tuned for the Christmas-themed Wizarding Trunk, which I also purchased and should be here in mid-November.